Simrad HALO20 Plus Radar Review. Real-time Doppler detection for confident navigation.
Have you ever eased back on the throttle because your radar picture just did not feel right? I remember one early morning run when fog closed in and every echo looked the same. For a few seconds, I honestly froze. That hesitation stays with you. If you have felt that tension in low visibility, you know exactly what I mean.
It is not just about visibility. It is the creeping pressure of guessing which target is moving toward you and which one is harmless. One skipper told me he nearly misread crossing traffic because the refresh lag blurred the vector. Your chest tightens. You want clarity, not clutter. There has to be a calmer, smarter way to read the water. Then everything changed when I found the Simrad HALO20 Plus radar. Don't just grab any marine radar. Make sure it has velocity track Doppler highlighting, so you never deal with guessing which targets are actually closing in on you again. The 50-watt solid-state dome powers on instantly, so you're not waiting through a warm-up cycle when visibility drops. Up to 60 RPM rotation keeps the picture updating almost in real time at close range, which makes tight harbor maneuvering feel controlled instead of reactive. Velocity track color codes approaching and receding targets, turning raw echoes into clear risk awareness. Dual range mode lets you monitor nearby traffic and distant weather cells at the same time, reducing blind spots. Let me be honest, that split view alone surprised me. A charter captain once told me Doppler coloring saved him seconds from cutting across a fast-moving boat in a narrow channel. He saw the red highlight, paused, and let it pass. Relief is quiet. There is also a subtle advantage seasoned boaters appreciate. Preset harbor, offshore, weather, and bird modes reduce constant tweaking and free up mental bandwidth for actual navigation. After a full season with the Simrad HALO20 Plus radar, the benefits settle into your routine. You start seeing traffic earlier. You enter busy marinas with less hesitation. You overlay radar on your Simrad chart plotter and trust what you see. That daily confidence compounds. A respected marine electronics reviewer described it as an excellent collision avoidance radar for modern boats, especially praising the fast sweep and Doppler clarity. An influencer who ran it through crowded coastal traffic said the near real-time feel changed how he judged crossing situations. Industry write-ups consistently highlight the combination of pulse compression and beam sharpening for improved target separation in clutter. One everyday user shared that it works especially well in fog and night runs, which matches my own experience. I noticed something interesting. Automatic tuning and preset modes meant I spent far less time adjusting gain and clutter manually, even in shifting sea states. Some hesitate because it works best with compatible Simrad chart plotters. That is fair. If you already run Simrad displays, integration is seamless. If not, compatibility is worth confirming first. Which matters more to you, instant on startup or Doppler target coloring? Think about that. Over time, it stops feeling like an accessory and starts feeling like a safety layer you do not want to lose. The Simrad HALO20 Plus radar is not about flashy features. It is about calmer decisions, faster refresh, and clearer motion detection when it counts. Thousands of coastal cruisers and offshore anglers rely on solid-state Doppler radar every day, though results may vary based on installation and conditions. Confidence grows quietly. If you want more control in fog, traffic, or night runs, check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and explore how the Simrad HALO20 Plus radar could elevate your navigation today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.